if you're encountering a payment method not supported error on Ironclad 2026, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check payment method compatibility. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Update payment information. Go to your account settings and verify that your payment information is up to date. Make sure that the card number, expiration date, and billing address are entered correctly. Step 3. Clear cache and cookies. Sometimes browser cache and cookies can cause issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then restart the browser and try again. Step 4. Try a different browser or device. If the issue persists, switch to a different web browser or device. This can help determine if the problem is related to your current setup. Step 5. Contact customer support. If none of the previous steps work, reach out to Ironclad's customer support for assistance. Provide them with details about the error and the steps you've already taken. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the payment method issue quickly. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further help from customer support.